When buying bear spray, buy specifically bear spray. Bear spray is a very unique product designed to be used on bears, and it has been shown to be effective almost 100% of the time when deployed properly. Pepper spray is not bear spray and may not have the proper ingredients in it to protect you from a bear. Then when carrying bear spray, it needs to be accessible, either in a hip holster or a chest holster, and easily deployed. And if you hear a bear, see a bear that's acting aggressive or sounding aggressive behind brush, have your bear spray out and ready. It's important to have a firm grip, direct it downwards in front of the bear, and disperse a 2 to 3 second spray if the bear's coming from more than 60 feet away. If it's a close charge, within 20 feet. This is an important situation. You disperse the bear spray directly in front of the bear and continue spraying till the bear breaks off the charge.
Bear spray is formulated to disorient the bear, but not permanently. The effects wear off in about an hour.